First of all, we are going to create the database. So just open MS Access. If you have installed the Office 2007, then from Office button select Access Options. Inside Access option, make sure that you have selected Access 2002-2003 default file format. Okay, now create a new database. Browse location. Name of the database should be dynamic combo.mdb. Create. Right click on the table, switch to design view. The first table we are having country. Inside the country table, country ID, auto number, and country name as text. You can see the first field working as primary key. The key has been selected, primary key. Close and save. Okay, now create a new table. From the create tab, select table, right click on the table, design view. Name of the table should be state. Okay, state underscore ID working is primary key, and the data type of the field is auto number. State underscore name, the data type is text. And the last one is country underscore ID. Number, the data type is number. Save and close. Insert third table. City ID, city underscore name, and state underscore ID as number. Saved. Okay. Now go to database tool. From database tool, select relationships. Insert city, country and state. Close. Okay, three tables have been inserted on the canvas. First, we are going to make the relationship between country table and state table. So the primary key ID, the primary key, select primary key from the country table and drag it on the country ID inside the state table. Select this one and drag on the country ID in state table. Okay, here you can see edit relationship window appears. On the left side we are having the country table, country ID. In the country table, country ID field is selected. In the second, on the right side we are having related table or query. That one is state, and from state table again we have selected country ID field. Now just check on these three checks: enforce referential integrity, cascade update related fields, and delete related fields. One-to-many relationship. Type of the relationship is one-to-many. Create relationship between these two tables has been created, and the type of the relationship is one-to-many. On the country side we are having one, and on the state side we have a symbol infinity. Okay, now we are going to create relationship between the state table and city table. Just select the state ID field from the state table and drag it on the state ID field in the city table. Select. Create. Now relationship between the state table and city table has been established. Okay. Save and close. Now just enter a simple data. Double click on the country table and enter some data. First country we are having Afghanistan. Inside Afghanistan, the state is, the first one is Balkh. Inside Balkh, we have cities. Mazar Sharif, and second city is whatever. Okay. Next province we are having the inside the Afghanistan. Parwan, and cities inside Parwan. Bas. هذا بس. Finished. Yes. Now just create design inside the Visual Basic. Insert 3 combo boxes. Using control click, select all of the combo boxes and move. Increase the size using shift arrow keys. Shift arrow key. Okay. Now just remove the text from the combos. Text properties available. Select combo 1 and here is text property. From here just remove this text. Then from the second one and from the third one. Okay, now change the names of the combos. Name of the first one should be country. The second one state and the third one city. Now insert 3 labels. Change the caption of the first label, the last label to city, the second one to state, and the first one to country. Okay. select, using control click, select, and auto size equal to true. Okay, now insert ADO control for connectivity. Insert ADO control. Right click on the standard toolbar, select components. Press M for Microsoft ADO Data Control 6.0. Check and apply. This is a new tool. Double click on the new tool. Name of this control is ADO DC1. Okay. Now just right click on the control. Okay, first save the project. Control S. Save it right here. Save project. Yes. Okay. Now right click on the ADO control and go to the properties of ADO control, the last one option. Use connection string build, select Microsoft Jet 4.0 for Office. Then next, browse database. Select this one. Okay, test connection working fine. Now just remove this extra path because the database and the project files are located in the same folder, so you can remove this extra path. Just leave the name of database. Again test connection. Yes. Press OK. Don't go to the record source tab. Record source tab उस record source tab में use करो. Apply and OK. Okay. Start project. Sorry. Select this one and make the visibility false. Visible equal to false. Start project. This is the design. In the first combo, countries will be displayed. In the second one, states, and in the last one, cities. Okay, so starting on the form load, I want to load the cities and the countries in the country combo. Double click. Initially, I want to unvisible the state combo and the city combo. Singa je project load she state combo or city combo jise bhi. The visibility defaults bhi. So just double click on the form. On left side you can see the form has been selected. On right side the event is load. Inside this procedure write state.visible equal to false and city.visible equal to false. Check. State and city are unvisible. Also make the visibility false of second level and a third level. Label 2 dot visible equal to false and label 3 dot visible equal to false. Now check. Okay. Now I want to display the countries, list of countries in the country table. So first of all you have to create the record source. First of all you are going to create the record source. So just write ADODC1.record source equal to query. Select steric from country. Select steric from country. Now just refresh the ADO control. Refresh the ADO control. ADODC1.refresh. Okay, next, how to assign the total number of countries. How to assign a complete record from the database to the combo, to the country combo. So using for loop, just start the for loop. In the general section, right here on the top, just declare a variable. The variable will be global and accessible in all of the procedures. So dim counter as integer. Counter is the name of variable right here, and integer is the data type, mean numeric value will be saved inside the counter variable. So just write here start for loop for counter equal to 1 to the end of record. Start from the first record to the end of record. So how to count the last one record? Just write ADODC1 dot record set dot record count. So using the record count function, you can count the complete record from the database. Okay. Now here write next counter. How to add record to the combo? How to add items to combo? We have studied in previous semester. The combo the record add को record सिंगल add को कम function use कीगी. Country dot add item. So write country dot add item. Which one item? The item which is located inside the ADO in the record set. The field number 0 or 1. Field number 0 or 1. Field number 0 is country ID. I am going to add country name. I want to display the country name. So field number 0, index number of country ID is 0 and the index number of country name is 1. So here in bracket write 1. Close this bracket and close first bracket. Okay. Now how to move to the second record, to the third, to the fourth? How to move to the next record? In navigations we have studied. Navigations की वैल्यू दी. Move next. Move next का सुनो वैल्यू पर navigations की. Move next सुनो वैल्यू उस चेक की. Press F5 button. List of countries has been displayed. Clear up to here or not? Yeah. So question with the busuke. This is very easy to make the complex thing. Complex singly. The countries which is selected right here. The country which is selected in the country combo. For that country we are going to first select the ID of that country. Then on behalf of that ID we will display the state of that country. So Afghanistan is selected right here. So we are going to select the ID of Afghanistan from the country table. Just check in the database. Check the country table. Inside the country table we have two records, Afghanistan and Pakistan. ID of Afghanistan is 1. Okay. Now check in state table. Inside state table we have 4 states: Balkh, Parman, Punjab and Sarhad. For Balkh the country ID is 1. Inside the country table, country ID number 1 for Afghanistan. Okay. So this mean the country ID number 1 related to the Afghanistan. So this one, the first one record is for the Afghanistan. This is the province of Afghanistan. So we have to select the country ID from the country table, and then on behalf of that country ID we will check the record inside the state table. Country ID the country table na country ID select को और जब आगा country ID पर through बांधी पर state table के record search को search तक निश्चित हम पता लग सी. Okay. Now on the click event of country on the click event of country combo we are going to populate the state of the selected country. Double click on the country combo. First of all, visible the state combo, state dot visible equal to true, and also display the label 2. Start. Check. Not working. Why? Okay, change event is selected. You have to select the click event. Select click event. Now start and check. Clear? So now we have to select the record for Afghanistan. Double click on the country. In the click event, start writing the code. First of all, create the ADO record source. ADO DC1.record source equal to. Okay, here we are going to select the country ID. The country which is selected is the country combo. For that one we are going to select the country ID. So write select country underscore ID from country table, where country underscore name like what? Start single quote and concate the text of country and the text of country combo. The country combo. Country dot text. Again concate. Start double quote, close single quote, and close double quote. Simple. We have started the record source for selection of ID, for selection of country ID. Select country ID from country table. Select country ID from the country table. This is a simple thing. Where is a class, where is a keyword which is using inside the SQL. Inside SQL, such same like the select keyword and same like the from keyword, also we are using the where keyword. Where keyword is basically using for selection of some specific record. You want to select some specific record, so where keyword will be used. Where the country ID, where country name, the country name which is selected inside the combo, inside the first combo, like this one, the country which is selected in the first combo. Just select the text from the first combo, select the text from the first combo and compare it with the database. If both of these texts are matching, so select country ID for that one. Now refresh the record source. Next, we have to add the, we have to assign the country ID to a variable. We have to store the country ID to a variable. So just declare a variable right here, locally dim country underscore ID as integer. In this country ID variable, we will store the country ID from the database. Country underscore ID equal to ADODC1.record set dot field of 0 or 1 index number 0. For country ID the index number is 0. Okay, so using this line we have stored the country ID inside this variable. This is the name of variable. Now again create a new record source. Create a new record source for displaying the states for the selected ID, for the selected country. ADODC1.record source equal to select steric from which table? Select complete record from which table? From state table, where country ID equal to the country ID which we have selected. Simple. This is the name of variable. In this variable we have stored this, the ID of selected country, Afghanistan or Pakistan, 1 or 2. Again refresh the ADO control, and now using for loop assign the state complete states from the database to the combo 2. For counter equal to 1 to ADODC1.record set dot record count, and next counter. Here you have to add the record. What is the name of second combo? State. State dot add item. Which one item? Index number 2. Index number 1. Index number 1. ADODC1 dot record set dot field of 1. And then move to the second record. So using same statement, move next. Now start. Okay, here we have to refresh. We have to clear the combo. Just check it first. Select country from here, Afghanistan. So the states of Afghanistan is displayed. Now I am going to select the Pakistan from here. The states of Pakistan is selected, displayed, and also the previous record is available. The previous record is available. So you have to clear the previous record. You have to clear the previous record. So just write here state dot clear. State dot clear. Now start. Select Afghanistan. States of Afghanistan selected. Now Pakistan. Now for the state you have to display the cities. Last ना पढ़ता हो ताकि वो पता लगेगी ताकि सुबह से exam किया वाला. Okay. Now on the click event, follow the same procedure which we have followed on the click event of the country combo. Now the same procedure on the second combo. Double click on the second combo, the state. From here, select event. The change event is selected. You have to select the click event. Remove this code. Private sub state underscore click. Click event is selected. Okay. First of all, display the third combo. CD dot visible. And also display the third label. Label 3 dot visible equal to true. Start. Select Afghanistan from Hebel. Okay. Now we are going to display the display the cities. So first of all, we are going to select the state ID, the state which is selected in the second combo. Select ID for that one. Asana khonada. So first of all, again create a record source. Record source equal to select state underscore ID from state table. We are going to select the ID, the state ID from the state table, where state underscore name, like, start single quote, close double quote, and concate the text of the second combo. Name of the second combo is state.text. Again concate, start double quote, close single quote, and close double quotes. Now refresh the ADO control. Dot refresh. Okay. Next, we have to store the state ID in a variable. So locally declare a variable right here. Dim state underscore ID. This is the name of variable as integer. This is the data type. So in state ID, store the state ID from the state table. State underscore ID equal to ADODC1 dot record set dot field of what? Index number of state ID is 0 or 1?
1, 0, 0, 0.
0. Okay. So in this line we have stored the state ID inside the state ID variable. Dear बहुत छोटा रवानी. बस खत्म है. सलोर लाइन में नोट दी. जान लगती हूँ गई. Okay. Again, create a record source for displaying cities. Record source equal to select steric from city table, where state underscore id equal to close double quote and concat the state underscore id variable, this one, concat this variable at the end. सब होएगा ही क्या ना okay, refresh the statement, refresh the ADO control DC1. Okay, now start for loop. For counter equal to 1, start from the first record, start selection from the first record up to record count. Next counter, and here add record. In the city combo, city dot add item ADODC1 dot record set dot field of 1. We are going to add the second field, the state, sorry, the second field in the city table. The index number of second field is 1. The index number of first field is 0. So just write here 1 and move to the next record. ये refresh होता है नहीं? Okay. Also clear the third combo right here. Same which we have done in the previous combo. City dot clear. Finished. Jam mत होए, finished. Select country from here, Afghanistan. Select state, Balkh, and the cities for the Balkh is displayed. Now again select the Parwan. Select Pakistan from here. Punjab, Rawalpindi, Islamabad. Sarhad, Peshawar, Mardana,